Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: MySQL Server, Workbench, and the MySQL ODB driver. Once installed, make sure the server is running and note the port and credentials. In Excel, clean headers and data types, then save as CSV for simpler import or keep. XLSX if using a third-party tool. Now open Workbench and select the Data Import/Restore or the Migration Wizard so you can start mapping the Excel data to your MySQL schema. Once in the wizard, choose your CSV or connect via ODB if you kept XLSX and select the source table. You must explicitly map each Excel column to a MySQL column and pick appropriate types. For example, convert mixed numeric/text to varchar or standardized dates to yimmdd. Make sure to set a primary key or unique index where needed. Preview a subset of rows to catch conversion errors, and ensure encoding is UTF-8, so special characters import correctly before running the import. After mapping and preview, execute the import and watch for warnings. You should verify row counts and sample records directly in Workbench with select queries. This confirms integrity. If you use transactions, commit only after verification or rollback and fix mappings if needed. Once successful, create indexes and constraints to optimize queries. If something goes wrong, check ODB connection settings, mismatched data types, unexpected null, and MySQL error logs. Correcting those typically resolves the majority of.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.